Here's what the most successful B2B companies know. You can't rely on just one channel anymore. The winners today are building a connected system that brings together trade shows, AI tools, chain store guide, and social media, all working in perfect harmony. Let's start with trade shows. Face-to-face relationship building is powerful, but most companies leave with business cards and zero follow-up plan. Here's how to do it right. Review the attendee list before the show. Use a mobile CRM during the event to capture notes in real time. Send personalized follow-ups within 48 hours. AI automatically sorts those leads by industry, location, and company size, so your sales team knows exactly who to prioritize. AI identifies potential buyers before they even show up on your radar. Predictive analytics scores leads based on their likelihood to buy. AI chatbots engage visitors 24/7 and qualify them automatically. Machine learning spots patterns in your sales data, revealing opportunities you might have missed. AI isn't replacing your salespeople, it's making them more effective. If you're selling to retail or food service markets, Chain Store Guide gives you verified contacts at multi-unit retailers, restaurants, and distributors. Filter by location, store count, or revenue to build laser-focused prospect lists. Combined with your CRM and AI tools, you're reaching the right buyers at exactly the right moment. Don't sleep on LinkedIn. Your prospects are researching vendors long before they'll take your call. Make sure your company page clearly communicates your value. Get your team active. Share insights. Comment on buyer content. Personalize every connection request. Reference something specific about their business. Once connected, avoid the hard sell. Start by offering value. Build the relationship first. Here's what ties it all together. These aren't separate tactics. The real power comes from integration. You meet a prospect at a trade show. Your CRM captures their information. AI scores them. You find their verified email in Chain Store Guide. You connect on LinkedIn. Your AI tools alert your sales team when they're showing buying signals. That's how leading B2B companies operate today. The best lead generation strategies blend the personal touch of trade shows with AI, Chain Store Guide, and social media. When these pieces work together, you've got a system that keeps your pipeline full and turns qualified leads into lasting customers. That's how you win in modern B2B.